Hi, I'm Shannon. One of the most important things about selecting a vehicle for your family is how safe it is. So let's take a closer look at all that Traverse has to offer when it comes to safety. You and your family will have peace of mind knowing the Traverse comes with the Chevy Safety Assist package that includes great safety features like enhanced automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian and bicyclist braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, forward collision alert, IntelliBeam, and following distance indicator. And those aren't the only safety features Traverse has to offer. With HD surround vision, you can see selectable digital camera views of the area around your vehicle. When in reverse, Traverse offers safety features that will make you feel confident while backing up, like rear cross traffic braking. This feature alerts you or automatically provides hard emergency braking to prevent a collision with detected vehicles crossing behind you. A similar feature will activate rear pedestrian alert that lets you know pedestrians are directly behind you. Once you've safely backed up and are ready to go, Traverse offers multiple safety features for when you're on the road, like blind zone steering assist, that provides a brief, firm turn of the steering wheel when a potential crash is detected with a moving vehicle in the lane you're entering. Another really innovative safety feature is the LED reflective windshield collision alert. It provides a flashing red windshield collision alert by drawing your eyes to the road when certain front collision threats are detected. If you're feeling a buzz in your seat, that's Traverse's safety alert seat. This alert uses left, right, or both side driver's seat vibration pulses to help you detect and identify the direction of potential crashes. Intersections can be tricky, but with intersection automatic emergency braking, you can avoid or reduce the severity of an intersection collision with the detected cross-traffic vehicle. Sharing the road with bikes is very important, and with side bicyclist alert, you can detect a bicyclist that is approaching in a side blind zone. And for long-distance driving, driver attention assist is very helpful because it provides alerts if it detects you are distracted or drowsy. As you can see, the Chevy Traverse has it all as the perfect mid-size SUV for your family. From its bolder design, more refined interior that is beautiful, spacious, and functional. Plus, with features that surround your family with safety, Traverse will fit your life and everything that comes with it. For more information on the Chevy Traverse, visit one of your 38 Metro Detroit Chevy dealers. Then put it in D and see why Chevy drives the Motor City.